I'm getting married in the morning. Ding dong, the bells are gonna chime. We'll have to stop her, let's have a whopper, but get me to the church on time. I've got to be there in the morning, spruced up and looking in my prime. Girls, come and kiss me, show me you'll miss me, but get me to the church on time. If I am dancing, roll up that floor. If I am whistling, push me out the door. I'm getting married in the morning. Ding dong, the bells are gonna chime. Kick up a rumpus, don't lose that compass. Get me to the church, get me to the church. For Pete's sake, get me to the church on time.
Rides we would take, the moonlight on the lake, the way we danced and hummed our favorite song, the things we did last summer, I'll remember all winter long. The midway and the fun, the Cupids we won, the bell I rang to prove that I was strong, the things we did last summer, I'll remember all winter long. The early morning lights, the rented tandem bike, the lunches that we used to buy. We never could explain that sudden summer rain, the look we got when we got by. The leaves began to fade like promises we made. How could a love that seemed so right go wrong? The things we did last summer, I'll remember all winter long. Blue guitar, my blue guitar, how soft your tender song. Somehow we feel the same. Blue guitar, how sad you are. You seem to know she's gone. name. I remember the days there was laughter. We walked in the rain. Now nothing but memories remain. Play your song and let me cry. You know my heart will stay forever true. Blue guitar.
One night, the Celebrity Theater in the Sands Hotel had just opened. I was working, as I mentioned, performing there with, working with Pino Musso. And Martin was appearing in the showroom. This is many months later. And he was dragging a dancer by the name of Silky along with him, right? He's hunching over as he's walking through the backside of the lounge. He didn't want to go through the casino because he'd be marred. And so anyway, as he was walking through, I saw him coming, right? I'm sitting in a booth with a couple of people, including Stan Irwin, the entertainment director of the Web Corporation. And as he was passing, I grabbed him by the arm and I said, Dean, you know Stan? He looks at me and says, no, you know Stan. And that was just so typical of him.
I dream of one who's never found me. They may say that love is blind. Still I hope someday I'll find you, you perfect stranger.